AEP SWEPCO is incredibly grateful to the nearly 4,000 linemen, tree crews, and so many others who raced to East Texas, Northwest Louisiana, and Southwest Arkansas after that brutal storm on June 16th. Nearly 250,000 people lost power. And that includes 2 men from South Texas who spent their Father's Day weekend away from home to help a local family save theirs. Tough enough leaving on Father's Day weekend?
Oh yeah, definitely. We wanted to stick around, of course, naturally, but duty calls. So.
Duty for AEP Texas line worker and father of 2, Amadeo Salinas of Kingsville, Texas.
Basically, we're at the stage where we're doing a final sweep.
And father of 3, Kevin Rivera of Corpus Christi. Navigating around the trails of downed trees, broken power poles, and the occasional unfriendly welcome to restore power all across the city of Shreveport, Louisiana.
This house and this house.
She's got power.
On this day, it's driving and walking the lines throughout the Allendale neighborhood, troubleshooting and solving isolated problems to get those last few homes online. On this street, they discovered one problem right above their heads.
Once we clear these trees from the line, we could go reset that transformer and get these customers back on.
Storm-damaged tree limbs that were blown into power lines. Sometimes that includes the occasional work order that just pulls up on the street.
I'm good, how are you?
A neighbor who noticed a potential problem in her own backyard, a broken tree limb wrapped up in a power line. This one, though, took a more delicate touch, but in the end, it didn't stand a chance against these 2 South Texas pros who've worked together for the last 10 years.
Sweet, sweaty success.
So for these expert troubleshooters, they had the power back on. For the handful still without in short order.
Good luck.
But their most unexpected and challenging task while in town came on Father's Day, just seconds after passing this home down a dead-end road near Shreveport's Cross Lake.
Started heading down the road to head back towards the substation, and Kevin's driving at the moment, and he yells out, "Fire!" And I'm like, "What? Fire?"
And the garage door was open, and you just saw a big ball of fire inside the garage.
A home that still stands today.
How y'all doing, man?
Because as Sammy Moranto,
I think we said hello.
All I did was say, where did these angels come from?
and his wife Sandy see it.
Miracles still happen today, and because of you guys.
These 2 are from a place even more heavenly than Texas. Kevin and Amadeo say when they first saw the flames, they grabbed their extinguishers.
Yeah, but we ran straight across that little field right there.
A full sprint toward the Moranto's home with its garage fully engulfed.
Yeah, I didn't know Kevin could sprint that fast.
Seconds felt like long minutes, but they quickly attacked the flames, a fire that first sparked at the generator.
Between the extension cord and the generator was that arc. And then all of a sudden I was standing right there, and then the flame went up.
Sammy, very lucky he wasn't burned himself, and blessed these 2 kept that fire from spreading throughout their home.
I should have hugged them before.
That's a group hug.
Where did these angels come from? And that's all I could think of.